Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow morning, but instead of heading to the bathroom to freshen up, you decide, forget it, no shower today. Now, what if that turns into 2 days, then a week, then an entire month? No soap, no shampoo, no scrubbing. Just 30 straight days of letting your body do its thing. Sounds gross, right? But what really happens if you don't wash for 30 days? Let's dive in and find out. And before we begin, yes, this video is just a black screen. That's not a mistake. It's on purpose. You've probably been staring at screens all day, and the last thing I want to do is add to your eye strain. Instead, I want you to close your eyes, relax, and imagine the experience as I walk you through it. In the first few days, your body doesn't completely fall apart. Your skin naturally produces oils called sebum, which actually help protect and moisturize it. But when you don't wash, that sebum builds up along with sweat and dead skin cells. Every day, your body sheds about 500 million skin cells. Normally, washing removes a lot of that debris. Without it, those cells just pile up on your skin. And then comes the bacteria. Your skin is home to millions of bacteria that are usually harmless, even helpful. But when sweat and oil mix together, these bacteria start breaking it down. That's where the classic body odor comes from. Within just a few days, you'll notice yourself smelling, let's say, less than fresh. By the second week, things really start to get noticeable. Your hair becomes greasy and limp as natural oils coat each strand. Your face may break out with pimples or blackheads because your pores are clogged. Skin can start to feel itchy, sticky, and irritated. And then there's fungus. Warm, moist areas like your armpits, groin, and between your toes become a breeding ground for yeast and fungi. Athlete's foot, jock itch, those become way more likely. Even rashes and skin infections can develop. At this point, most people around you wouldn't just notice the smell. They'd actively try to avoid it. By the time you've gone a full month without washing, your body's defenses are under serious stress. Small cuts and scratches you don't even notice could get infected because bacteria have free rein. The smell evolves into something sour, sharp, and honestly, unbearable. Your clothes would absorb the odor too, making it impossible to escape. Your skin microbiome, the ecosystem of tiny organisms that usually protect you, becomes unbalanced. Normally, good bacteria keep harmful ones in check. But without hygiene, harmful bacteria can take over, making you more vulnerable to skin diseases. You might also notice dandruff, scalp irritation, and in some cases, fungal infections spreading. It's not instantly deadly, but it's a slow, uncomfortable, and risky process. So, what's the takeaway? Skipping a shower here and there is no big deal. Your body is resilient. But 30 straight days without washing? That pushes you into a world of clogged pores, infections, and smells strong enough to clear a room. It's not just about appearance. It's about your health, comfort, and the people around you. Now, here's the real question. Could you survive 30 days without a wash? Be honest. Would you tough it out? Or would the smell drive you mad first? Let me know in the comments because I'd love to hear your take. And if you enjoyed this little mix of science and imagination, hit that subscribe button. Think of it like a shower for your brain, keeping your curiosity fresh and clean every single day. No soap required.